What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? Oh my god, we are about to wash clothes at the veranda. I want to quickly soak some of the clothes and put the rest inside the washing machine. Although my washing machine is at the veranda, so I have to start walking little by little. Cold there outside though. There is cold. Well, this is how I systemize our clothes. Wash it, soak it. The ones that I need to use my hand to wash, I will first of all use my hand to wash them before I will put them inside the washing machine. You know, we Africa, we have this mentality of using our hand first, so nobody can change that from me. So I am soaking all our white clothes and my husband's white clothes. So I'm using jig and some shampoo. I don't know if they are calling it shampoo or detergent to wash them, soap for that matter. All right, let's proceed, guys. Thank you for supporting. I love you. We are done washing our clothes, so the rest one washing machine will do that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you all.